So welcome to Varun Vlogs, friends. I hope you all are doing good. Today I've come to Chel in Himachal Pradesh, which is near to Shimla. This road is actually coming from Chel, and the place where I am staying today, it's 6 kilometers ahead of Chel. Let me just show you the place around. The name of the place is Snowdrop Eco Resort, and it's a very reasonable resort. This way goes towards the resort only. So I've checked into this resort and just wanted to show you the place around and just inform you about the budget of this resort and how is it. I have checked in and then found the place very beautiful, so I just wanted to show you the overall area over here. So it's been a long time I traveled to mountains. Last year only I visited, and then second wave of COVID came. So as you all know, it was hard to travel. And now when the cases started declining, right, most of the people, in fact, have started traveling to Shimla, Mussoorie, all those popular destinations. So there were a lot of traffic jams also. I wanted to go to Mussoorie, but then because of traffic jam and a lot of population over there, just came to Chel. It is more peaceful over here. Let's start with the parking area. This is the parking area of the resort. As you can see, my car is parked over there. Okay, a huge parking area, and a lot of people have come to this place. Now they offer some more fun activities like what do you call this? I think zip lining. So you can look at this view as well, and then at the same time just check out these ropes are attached to the trees, and then these are also so zip lining is also provided as a part of fun activities. The main resort is up there. You go up from that stairs, and then there are, if you can see in the video, there are cottages, and there are pakke ghar wali cottages as well. So let's go, let's just climb the stairs, and then I'll just show you the whole place around. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment sections. I'll visit to more places in Chel and then include the same in the video only. Okay. So this is the main area. This is the outside area of the resort. There are like these jhulas to rest and just sit and relax and just enjoy the peace and the mountains. I can see around 3 or 4 of them over there also. So I've seen people playing badminton and all those sports in the morning time. So these are the cottages. So there are 10 cottages over here. That's the dining area. They do offer bonfire as well, and yesterday I checked in only, and in the night there was a bonfire and some music as well. So they did not charge anything extra for the same. So you can see that area is for the bonfire, and a lot of people are already here and they're just sitting and having their breakfast. Let me just take you to the dining area. So I'll also tell you about the cuisines served here. Basically, I had parathas and eggs and all that, which are readily available. This is the overall dining area, as you can see. Okay. So you can eat here as well, and then there are chairs, over here as well, chair and tables. So most people prefer to eat outside since obviously it's not as polluted as cities, so you can obviously sit outside and then chill. So these are the cottages. I'll show you what they look like from the inside. but the overall place seems very nice to me. And I mean, though it's not very costly, but as I told you, I checked in yesterday, and I mean, this place has its own vibe to it. The owner and his sister, basically both of them manages the whole place, and they're very actually I found them quite nice and well mannered. Both of them are very well mannered, and if you have any issues, they try to fix it as soon as possible. So just let me just take you a little forward and just show you the cottages. I'll try to keep the video as short as possible. These are the cottages. So basically they are 3 of them, the Pakke Ghar wali cottages. And the last cottage, I found the view from the last cottage really beautiful. Let me just go ahead and show you the same. So this is the last cottage. So if you want to sit here inside, you can just place a chair over here and then sit and enjoy the view. So look at it. I hope you are able to see clearly in the video, but if not, then let me just tell you, the view is super amazing over here. Just look at it. So yesterday night I saw most people were sitting outside and enjoying their own time. So there are lightings on the whole boundary of the resort, and then in the night it looks really beautiful. This tree is I think there are some fruits. It's a fruit tree, nashpati, or that's what you call it, I think. Yeah. And towards the boundaries, there are species of some flowers as well that they regularly maintain. That's what I've been told. I saw in the morning the people were actually watering all the plants throughout the resort, so I just found it really good. So that is the overall area. I mean, most people who are planning to stay here, I think, don't stay inside most of the time. Either they are playing outside and then or just sitting outside and just chit chatting and all that, right? Okay, so this is the overall area. I'll show you the cottages, the cemented cottages and the Swiss tents from the inside, and just show you the overall place. So let me just go ahead and show you first the Swiss tents. That's what they call it. Let's just enter and show you the whole area. Before you enter, there is a small table and 2 chairs kept outside in case you want to sit. There is a cute little kitten sitting over here as well. Okay, so let's go inside and check the overall space. So as you enter, there are only 2 things in the room. First of all, it's a king size bed. I think it's a 6x6 bed and a table fan. So the cottage looks a little small, I would say, as compared to normal room. There is I think there is 3 to 4 feet space here and here as well, and you can just keep your stuff here. Please don't mind the stuff which is kept here. My family is staying in this cottage, so this stuff is lying around. This way is where the washroom is, and before washroom there is an almirah kept in case you want to put some stuff. So the washroom is made with like complete tiles, and this is the overall area. However, there is no shower in the washroom in case you are looking out to take a bath under a shower. So shower is not there. Flush and just normal wash basin and all that. Okay, so this is the whole cottage. Let's just go outside and I'll just show you the those cemented cottages. Let's get inside and just let me show you the main cemented cottage. So this is the cottage, and it's huge as compared to the Swiss tents. As you enter, there is a space to keep stuff over here, small almirah sort of a thing. There is a television as well, which was missing in that cottage, Swiss tents. There is a space over here as well, or you can, if you want to sit and work from home or work from hills, whatever, so you can just sit here. The Wi-Fi reception is very good in this area, complete area, so you can just hang your stuff over here as well. So this cottage is very big as compared to a normal room. The bed is also 6 by 6. There is no fan, however, just a normal wall fan, and yeah, so there is no fan. The view from the window is also good. I woke up to this view in the morning today, so this is the view. There is one more small almirah to keep your stuff. So as you know, I have a little daughter, so this whole area is not that clean, so really sorry about that. This is the washroom. Let me just show you the complete washroom as well. So this washroom has shower. Let me just turn on the light. I think there is no light right now. So this is the whole washroom. So this is the bonfire area. Here is where people can sit and enjoy. So yesterday night, all of the people, gathered together to for this bonfire and music, little music session. So there was no extra charge taken from the owner. Once again, ये एक झूला यहाँ पे भी है. इसके अलावा ये टेबल चेयर्स वगैरह जो हैं यहाँ पड़ी हुई हैं. मैं आपको इधर का फेवरेट पार्ट दिखाता हूँ जो मुझे अभी तक बहुत सही व्यू और बैठने की जगह दिखी. सो हेयर इट इज़. सो लुक एट दिस व्यू एंड लुक एट दिस सिटिंग एरिया. So this is the overall view from here. So yesterday night I had a beer and I was sitting here. Felt really good. So this is the zip line that I was talking about. You climb up from these stairs, and there, if you can see the rope, I don't know it's visible to you or not, that row takes you to those trees in the parking lot, and usually there is a guy to assist as well. Okay, so that's it about the morning over here in this resort. During the evening, right, when there are lighting and bonfire lit and the DJs here, I'll make that video too. So I'm just leaving for Kali temple. I heard that they both are very beautiful places in Chel. So here we are at the Kali Tibba temple. टेम्पल जो है वो उधर है, और ये एरिया में कार पार्किंग वगैरह कर रखी है लोगों ने. इधर मैंने देखा था काफ़ी हाइट पे है, ये जो रास्ता है काफ़ी नैरो है इधर आने का. ये फॉर रेफरेंस आप देख सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ सिचुएटेड एट क्वाइट अ हाइट. मैं आपको ऊपर मंदिर जाके दिखाता हूँ बस, बाकी इधर मंदिर ही है और अभी नीचे पार्किंग है गाड़ियों की. तो ये है पूरी मंदिर की जो है एंट्री, यहाँ से मंदिर की एंट्री है. ये दीज आर स्टेयर्स, तो ऊपर तक के मंदिर आ जाता है. तो ये है काली टिब्बा टेम्पल. यार काफ़ी अच्छा व्यू है यहाँ पे. ये टेम्पल की एंट्री. ये देखिए यार, क्या व्यू है यार यहाँ। आई मीन ये व्यू देख के लग रहा है इट वॉज वर्थ कमिंग हियर। सो अगेन टेंपल के लेफ्ट की साइड पे जो है ये थोड़ी सी जगह है, यहाँ पे से बैठ सकते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए। यहाँ पे बैठने की भी जगह है और व्यू एंजॉय कर सकते हैं अपना प्रेयर्स के बाद। कैमराज अलाउड नहीं थे यार मंदिर में, तो मैं अंदर का शूट नहीं कर पाया। एंड दिस इज़ द ओवरऑल प्लेस। सो यार अभी 8 बज चुके हैं और जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि बॉनफायर वाला जो